Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your English teacher Nancy Pandey. So students, today we are going to study remaining part of the story from your English reader book, that is A Visit to Shillong. So students, in our previous video we have studied about this story. So students, this story is about of two little girl, Nana and Sona. They were going to Ceylon to spend their holidays with grandma and grandpa. So my dear students, in our previous video I told you that Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya, and Shillong is a very famous hill town. It is famous for many places as and it is well known picnic spot. So students, in this story we are going to know about many places or picnic spot of the Shillong. So students, Nana and Sona were going to Shillong with their grandma and grandpa in their grandparents' car. The drive from Guwahati to Shillong takes 3 hours. On the way of Shillong, Nana is very excited and she asked many times grandma that how much longer the way of Shillong. Then her grandmother told her that from Guwahati to Shillong takes 3 hours. And if there was a railway station or an airport in Shillong, they would reach home earlier. After then, Sona said that I love this drive. Here, Sona is enjoying the way to Shillong. Nana looked at the greenery and said to her grandpa that there is a valley on your side. Please drive slowly because there is so much to see. Then the grandma said, be alert, you will soon the Umiam Lake on your right. It is also called the Barapani Lake. So students, after seeing this, Nana and Sona shouted with joy and Nana asked to her grandpa, why do we come here only in summer? Then her grandpa laughed and replied that we want to be with us the whole year. However, it rains heavily during the monsoons. The winter are really cold. March and April are the best months to visit Shillong. So students, by this story we know that Shillong is the best place for spending our holidays, and the month March and April are the best month to visit Shillong. Will you? After it, Sona asked that Will you take us to see the butterfly museum? Sona's mummy told her that it has lots of colorful butterflies, so she want to go there. After it, the grandma said, "Sure, we can go for a picnic at Sweet Falls if you like." So, students, listening this, Sona and Nana asked together, "Sweet Falls, it is well known picnic spot with huge waterfalls," answered Grandma. Then Sona and Nana was very exciting about Sweet Falls. Then her grandmother told them that it is a well known picnic spot with huge waterfalls. We will pack a picnic basket with sandwiches, cakes, and fruits. Yay! Cried Nana. Then Nana cried with joy. She said that we will pack a picnic basket with sandwiches, cakes, and fruits. Next week we can visit the Spread Eagle Falls and the Elephant Falls, said Grandpa. After it, Grandpa said them that next week they can visit the Spread Eagle Falls and Elephant Falls. We can also go to the botanical garden. It has beautiful flowers. Now, their grandpa said that they can go many places like Spread Eagle Falls and Elephant Falls, and they are also go to the botanical garden that has beautiful flowers. We would love to see all these places, said Sona. Then Sona said, we would love to see all these places. I wish I lived here. I would love to play with the children and learn their language. We already know a little, don't we? Asked Nana with a twinkle in her eye. Then Sona said that she wished to live there because she would love to play with the children and want to learn their language. After it, Nana asked, she already know a little, don't we? After it, Nana twinkled in her eye. Together, Sona and Nana cried, "Anching ka sa e Shillong." It means we love Shillong. So this is the word Anching ka se a Shillong. This is the language of Shillong. So both girls are enjoying the hill town Shillong. So students, now this story is completed. In this story we studied about many tourist spot like Barapani Lake. It is also known as Umiam Lake, and the second was Butterfly Museum, where Butterfly Museum has lots of colorful butterflies. And the next tourist spot was Sweet Falls, Spread Eagle Falls, Elephant Falls, Botanical Gardens. There are many picnic spots in the Shillong. I hope you understand this story by this video. Now students, you have to read this story and do all the hard words from this chapter. And you have to learn the hard words of this chapter. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, stay at your home, and do discuss this story with your family members. Okay, thank you students. Bye and take care.